If your calves always feel sore and uncomfortable, I'm sharing a set of quick and relaxing techniques with you. First, evenly apply essential oil to your legs. Perform a spreading motion. You can do it 2 to 3 times. Step 1. Stack your thumbs and push directly from the bottom to the popliteal fossa, knead a bit, then retract towards the heel. Step 2. Use both thumbs to push the calves from the bottom to the top. If your lower back is uncomfortable, strengthen the kneading at the popliteal fossa. Step 3. Cross your thumbs and perform a kneading motion. Gradually move upward from the heel. Retract at the popliteal fossa. Step 4. Clasp your fists and knead with the knuckles. Similarly, from the bottom to the top. Strengthen the kneading at the popliteal fossa, then retract again. Step 5. Make a Z motion with both hands to push. All the way up to the thighs. Finally, retract. Have you learned this simple and easy-to-learn leg massage and relaxation technique?